Man, it's bright as fuck out here.
We should also probably clean the interior because this thing fucking reeks.
Nah,
What is this? Alright, we got the daily 240 here. The alt went on it. Typical. So we got a rebuilt alt here. Noah's gonna slap it in for us.
Yeah, right. Fucking pull that shit out for you.
Look at it.
Yeah, it looks really good. The whole shit looks brand new, man.
I know. What kind of bad dropping it off that dirty?
Like this is that shit I was telling you last time. What the fuck's going on?
There's also one of those down here.
That's like emissions bullshit.
Yeah, we should just cut it further down. What is this from?
Yeah, let's go there.
How did you get down there?
Okay, so pass me the 10 mil. Yeah, so we're gonna swap the alt, and then we're also gonna put the Longchamps that were on the FC on this car, and then slam it on its nuts as well.
Yeah.
Because we showed this car briefly a couple videos ago, but it's got some crunch munch to the rear quarter. It's even worse down here. It's pretty fucked. So our plan, what do you reckon? I think we're just gonna fucking slam it down low enough to where you can't even see it from
yeah,
eye level, right?
Full send, full slam.
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, pop that off. Oh, fuck my life. It's so hard to get this thing in, too. I don't even remember how I got it out last time.
Okay, the lighting in this video is gonna be really dick because it's like sunny but not in some spots.
Yeah, okay, it's plastic in the way. 1 sec.
I totally forgot this is potent strut tower rust. I wish hit that with some rust converter one day.
Actually.
Let it be.
Just fucking run it like that.
That's good enough.
Alright, so alternator's in, battery's charging. Adam's loosening the lugs. And I guess for today's question, coupe or hatch, and why? What would you pick, Adam?
Coupe. This hatch is ugly as hell.
Yeah, same. Yeah, so let us know below. Coupe or hatch, and then you'll be entered in the giveaway to win something. What are we gonna give away this time?
What's your Instagram handle? What did we give away last time? A sticker?
Yeah.
Should we give away another 2 air fresheners?
Yeah.
1 of each?
Yeah, no doubt.
Alright, remember to put your Instagram handle too, so if we pick you, you contact us, because we're gonna forget to contact. Actually,
no, it's not
okay,
that
we'll
bad.
contact you, never mind.
Yeah, we'll contact you, don't worry about it.
Yeah, but remember to like the video and be subscribed, because we'll check that too. That's also necessary to win.
Yeah, no doubt.
And show your friends, man.
Even though we can't check that, but that's alright.
Man, don't say that. Okay, we're gonna jack on the gas tank.
Yeah, gas tank, pinch welds, and floorboards. That's where you want to go from, right?
Yeah. Gas tank's best, but in a worst case, just go floor. And then if you can't get under the floor, just go pinch welds. And make sure you really crush them, because that's how they get strong. It's like a crush washer.
Dude, when you like go on the floor pan too, you get like this like sick like custom like, you know?
Yeah.
It's sick because then you can like store shit in the crevices that you make.
You get like little mountains.
Yeah, it's like a holder for your change.
Little rocky mountains.
Yeah.
Get a little Mount Rushmore on it.
Also, don't bother using jack stands. Jack's good enough.
Yeah.
Especially the cheap ones from Canadian Tire.
Yeah, that just drop randomly. Oh, the wheels are in the air. We don't even have the Longchamps yet.
Yeah, fuck.
Okay, let's go get them.
Right. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna chun.
Good. You deserve to chun.
Back in the driveway.
Back to our roots.
It's another wholesome video. Working on the side of the street.
Like bums. Stealing people's wheels. Okay, I'm taking these Nissan doll caps. Because these are fucking tits, dude. Look at that.
Yeah, replace that ugly one.
This green one, what the fuck? This Longchamp is so beat. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's stripped on.
That's
alright. 8.5 Longchamp. Fuck, I forgot to take that wheel off. Oh, she's really on there, bro.
It's seized on, man.
Why would you kick in the middle? It's not gonna do anything. Fuck, the car's really swaying on the jack, eh?
There we go.
What the fuck? Never have I experienced such bullshit.
It's rusted on, man.
God, Siemens gluing this on. Puts a... Fuck. Okay, what the shit, man?
There we go.
Holy fuck.
junk, man.
Should probably put some anti-seize on this, but
That's alright.
that'd be too proper.
How's it gonna look, man?
Oh!
Wait, we're not gonna lower it?
Oh, fuck, that's such an effort.
Alright, so we got the wrong tool.
Wrong tool or no tool? Probably not. These are only 6 kilograms? No wonder it's so fucking bouncy. Okay, again, do you guys have these in the US? Robertson? Pretty sure it's a Canadian Canadian
Fuck,
bit.
it's just so overexposed out here. Not in the goddamn studio today, boys.
Coil overseas there, so I guess that's how low we're going for now. Oh, man.
Give her a little pull.
I think it's not gonna do shit. I
Whatever.
think it's gonna have to be rolled. Oh, why was it so loose?
Man, this thing's not low at all. Is the jack on the ground?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Well, what the shit?
Okay, let's just wait till we have wrenches and do it.
Why don't we just give her? I think you're kind of being a puss.
Whoa, like I'm not fucking doing it.
You're not gonna do it?
I mean, dude, get the fucking crescent wrench out. That'll help so much.
The crescent wrench?
Or whatever
the
the
crescent
vice grip, I mean.
What are you gonna put that on?
On the collar.
That's gonna dick the whole thing.
No, it won't. We don't have anything here to roll the fenders right now, so that's where it's gonna sit for a couple days until we go out to Ben and Jason's and we can roll them a little bit and drop it lower. But what do you think, man? I think they look better on this than they did on the FC.
Yeah. Well, let's wait till the front's on, but it'll definitely look cooler.
Yeah, no doubt.
Fender liner's coming out because you don't need that shit.
Alright, the front coil is seized to all shit, so this is what we're working with until we can get out to Ben and Jason's. We'll probably just heat it with like a blowtorch or something to loosen it up. I don't really know.
Or put some PV blaster on it.
Yeah, but it's gonna look sick, man. When it's all slam jam.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is how it's looking right now. Front looks terrible. Back needs to go lower as well. You put your Nardi in?
Yeah, put the deep corn in there.
No doubt.
The stock goes too bomb. Smells less moldy in here.
That's good.
After a full bottle of Febreze. Smells quite potent of Febreze though.
Yeah.
I don't know what will give us a bigger domer. Yes, car only has 164,000 K on it. Unfortunately, it was fully loaded with Hikis and ABS, which sucks, but whatever.
So are you keeping this one, Adam?
Probably not.
This fucking guy.
Oh,
Jesus
another
Christ.
bitch.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed, this thing's automatic as well.
Yeah.
So.
Well, that sounded promising. That's gotta be good now. Also, if you want a Nardi deep corn, we have like 13 of them coming in the container. Why are the winter ones coming?
Yeah, so we're fucking with it, we're getting soon now.
When the winter ones not permanently on, you can pick that thing off.
Yeah. We have a 240 that works on this channel now.
What?
I said we have a 240 that works on this channel now.
Well, I don't know if it's not moving.
It's not moving. It's not rubbing at all. You're crazy, man. It's probably just seized. I'm gonna chuck her in reverse and give her the beans. Fucking not moving. Yeah, okay, buddy. I swear to fuck if the coil is hitting the wheel. Yes, we got some clearance issues, boys. The front brake caliper is hitting the wheel, so we're gonna run the crappy tire real quick. Grab 2 slip-on spacers, and then this thing should be road ready, man. So, got the spacers for the front, and then I also picked up some stuff for the Silvia front end because we're gonna primer the fenders this weekend. Also, the engine bay is dirty as shit, so got some wax and grease remover and some
some cancer-causing paint stripper. So yeah, stay tuned for that video.
Go jack the other side. Oh, I guess we need.
Okay, so this thing should roll again. What are you gonna do?
Alright, very last ever Marlboro air freshener. This is our first air fresheners we ever dropped. Because everyone's been asking to restock this one. Because it's so sick.
So we did it, man.
Yeah, coming next drop. Look at that. Wow, smells really good.
Next drop, those are coming back. And then
Clothing.
more hoodies and t-shirts again.
And maybe jackets and hats.
Yeah,
So
who
save
knows,
your
man.
loonies and toonies.
The wheel's still hitting the caliper a little bit, so we're out for a little skirt, doing some self-clearancing.
Self-clearance for sure.
I think we're almost there.
Yeah. I forget, why does it keep getting stuck in front of me?
Sounds so bomb, dude.
Poo-poo car. Look at that air freshener. Alright, well there you have it. The auto poo-poo piece of daily poop. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and comment Cooper Hatch for a chance to win 2 air fresheners. Also, next drop, bringing back the Marlboro air freshener. So yeah,
No doubt.
frig off.
Alright, you gonna do a skid for old time's sake?
Maybe.
Back at the studio?
We'll see what's going on. I'll give her a go for sure.
Yeah, you gotta at least try.
Yeah, I'll give her a go.
If it doesn't go, it's forgivable because it's the auto trans, but
Yeah. No. Man.
why is that? How is that a thing? Alright, by some miracle it went on the second go, so.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that.
Holy shit, eh? Buddy's just dicked. Holy shit, the fucking neighbor's looking at me. I'm not going in through the front door. She's gonna know where I live, man. Holy fuck. Jesus, there's so much fucking smoke, man. Holy fuck. That's some shit. Thought he was just doing one, but he went for fucking 2 rings. It was decent though. For the auto brands, it's commendable. Literally 4:30, man. Rush hour. Everyone's fucking. There's smoke in my backyard, man. I could smell the tire. Holy Christ, man. The lady that drove by after he did the skid was not having it. Holy. That was decent. You better subscribe for that. Can't. How can you not subscribe for that? Anyways, catch you in the next one.